children. Today let's discuss about our wonderful body. Our body is made up of different parts. The different part of our body work together to help in doing our activities. Which are the different parts of our body? Tell me, which are the different parts? Yes, head, eyes, nose, mouth, ears, shoulder, hands, fingers, arms, elbow, chest, stomach, knees, legs, toes. These are the different parts of our body. Let's discuss about functions of a body part. The first function is hands. What do we do with our hands? This is our hands. Our hands help us to hold things. I hold one chalk. Hold things, write, eat and lift things. We skip or throw things by using our arms, throwing things like this. We skip or throw things by using our arms, hands and shoulders. Example, brushing. Every day we brush our teeth. Then throwing, we have to throw something. Holding, I hold a chalk in my hand. Holding, these are the examples for hands. The next one, legs. What do you do with our legs? We use our legs to kick, stand, walk, jump, climb and run. Examples, jumping, standing, walking, running. These are the examples for legs. Next, knees. We use our knees to sit, crisscross, squat and kneel down. Squatting, kneeling, crisscross sitting. Back. This is back. We use our back to stand straight and to bend forward, backward and sideways. Next, neck. Neck helps us to move our head side to side. We can turn our head left, right, up and down with the help of our neck. Once again, we have to revise what we are studied today. Different parts of our body. Which are the different parts? Head, eyes, nose, mouth, ear, hand, fingers, elbow, chest, stomach, knee, legs. These are the different parts of our body. Which are the 5 sense organs? Do you know? Yes? Then tell me. Yes, very good. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Okay, very good. Skin covers our whole parts of our body. So, we have 5 sense organs. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. What do we do with our eyes? What do we do with our eyes? The eyes help us see all around us. The eyes help us see all the things around us. What do we do with our nose? The nose helps us smell. The nose helps us smell. How do you smell? How do you smell? What do we do with our ears? The ears help us hear all the sounds. The ears help us hear all the sounds. What do we do with our tongue? Tongue helps us know food items with different taste such as sweet, sour, bitter and salty. Tongue helps us know food items with different taste such as sweet, sour, bitter and salty. What do we do with our skin? Skin helps us feel hot, soft, rough, cold and warm things. We touch things to feel them. If we touch anything, we get feel. That is the use of the skin. Look at the picture. Which picture is this? This is eyes. We use eyes to see around us. And what is this? Nose. Nose helps us to smell. What is this? Ears. What is this? Ears. Ears help us to hear. What picture is this? This is tongue. What is this? This is tongue. The tongue helps us know the taste of the food. The last one, what is this? Skin. Skin. The skin helps us to feel. I give you a homework, page number 6, activity time. Write any 4 activities you do daily by using both your hands and legs in the school. This is the homework for you that you have to write down in your notebook.